If you aren't using aloe vera for your wash today, you need to start now. And I mean now. Especially during wintertime when your hair is more susceptible to be dry. This little leaf, well, really ain't little, but this leaf right here will give you instant moisture. I swear by it every time I wash my head. I know it sounds tedious to, oh my God, I gotta wash it, I gotta condition, I gotta deep condition. Then you want me to add this leaf all to this? I know it sounds tedious, but it's pretty much worth it. And then there's so many ways that you can use aloe vera. You can make your own gel, you can make a mask with it, you can do a whole bunch. But today I'm just keeping it simple. I just cut the leaf and I add the leaf directly to my head. See, when you look at it, it just screams water, don't it? Screams water. I'm just gonna section it, starting with the left side. I'm probably just gonna do 4 sections because that's the easiest way for me. Do however many you like. Nice and moisturized already. Starting off, I'm just gonna take it and rub it kind of near my scalp. Well, I guess that'll be my roots. So on my roots. And then I kind of take a knife and I scrape it to get some of that excess juice. Oh, anybody see that? And of course I just spilled it, so I just wasted it. Shiny and moisturized. To go ahead and twist it to lock in moisture. I was just mesmerized at the fact of how healthy and shiny my curls look.
Wash day. I would do a wash and go in this video, but I'm ready to take this shirt off. Like, there has to be a better way. I just feel so nasty at the end of wash day. I'm gonna do a wash and go in another video.